Of the morning when we get to the big brokerage call, and the focus today is on Bharti Airtel. Macquarie has come up with a note on telcos with an outperform rating for Bharti Airtel. Hersh is joining us for more details on that.
Well, yes, they've lifted the target price to 2,050 rupees a share, which offers around a 14% upside. They believe that there's going to be an improved odd of a bull case playing out. They've hiked their bull case estimates as well. I'll quickly take you through it. They reaffirm the positive view on Telecom. Higher free cash flow and improving ROIC outlook is what is driving this increase in target price. The bull case, they say, ARPU at 300, apply a 15 times EV EBITDA multiple. The SOTP arrived at is around 2,350 rupees. So substantial upside if you're looking at the bull case scenario. They give this a 40% likelihood in terms of weightage. So a decent likelihood in terms of this playing out as well. The base case too, not too far away. Around a 290 rupee ARPU and a 13-time EV EBITDA multiple likely to play out with a target price of 1,920. So even the base case not looking too bad. Factors to look out for, of course, in this one is tariffs and a possible listing of a peer, which is Jio, and that could also be positive for the industry as well as this company in particular, which is Bharti Airtel. The target price implies a 4% free cash flow yield is what Macquarie says. 11 times EV EBITDA at the target price 2,050, 32 times price to earnings is what they ascribe to this one.
Right, so that's with regards to Bharti Airtel. Thank you, Harsh, for taking us through these names. Chandan, let me come to you with Bharti Airtel, Vodafone. How are you looking at these telecom majors, taking into consideration the way numbers have come in? In fact, we did have an exclusive interview with the telecom minister as well, where there are, moratoriums being considered with regards to where AGR dues go as well. But that's the fundamental perspective. What are charts indicating?
Yeah, so if you look at the chart, Bharti and Bharti Exa, both the counter looks quite promising. To talk about Bharti, it has been consolidating the range, and the good part is that supports are intact. We have noticed sustained put writing at 1800 strike, and even in the recent decline, it managed to hold 1800 marks and now trying to attempt the next leg of rally towards 1900. Major trend of the counter is positive. However, in the last month, we have seen a consolidative move. Before that, it really rallied well in the month of March and April, rallied well from 1570 to 1900 marks, and I believe the consolidative move of last 1.5 months could attract the fresh leg of rally. So one can buy with major support of 1800. This time Bharti has potential to rally towards 1900 to 1950 marks on the higher side.